Instagram shopping is a feature that lets brands establish a storefront where users can swiftly and effortlessly learn about their products and services, all within the same platform. If you operate an online store, you'd benefit from setting up an Instagram shop to broaden your reach, engage with more people, and boost your visibility. Do you want to know how to set up your first Instagram shop? Let's break it down. An Instagram shop is a tool that enables brands to display and advertise their products through Instagram posts. Essentially, it transforms Instagram into a sort of catalog designed to attract new customers. These promotional posts can appear in the feed, stories, reels, or live videos. Consequently, users can access your shop from your Instagram profile. Like tagging a friend in a post, you can tag products too. By clicking on a product tag, users can view its detailed information. One significant advantage of Instagram Shop is that users can browse all products, see their prices, and learn how and where to purchase them without exiting the app. Furthermore, brands with Instagram checkout access can sell their products directly on Instagram, negating the need for users to leave the app. However, this feature isn't available in all countries yet. Now, let's see how to create your Instagram shop step by step. Have a business profile. You need a business profile located in a country where Instagram shopping is available to set up your shop. Additionally, you should have a website where users can buy these products. If your account isn't yet configured as a business account, it's quite simple. Navigate to your profile menu, go to Settings, then Account Type, and then select Switch to Professional Account. Next, add all pertinent information, such as the brand's industry, operating hours, address, phone number, website link, and a brief description. This info helps users find you and understand who you are. Link your account. Having a product catalog is essential for Instagram Shop, and there are two ways to create one. One method involves manually uploading products one by one via Facebook Business Manager. For this, you must link your Instagram profile to your Facebook page and create a Business Manager account if you don't have one. Alternatively, you can use an e-commerce platform like Shopify, which automatically uploads your products. Create your product catalog. Your catalog can contain collections to categorize your products by themes or product types. You can add as much information as you want on product detail pages, such as price or description. Users interested in learning more can click a link that takes them straight to your website. Submit your account for review. After the previous steps are complete, submit your account for review. Be aware that the review process might take several days. Sometimes Instagram may request additional information about your business or require website domain verification. Once Instagram approves your request, you can activate the shopping features. Selling on Instagram through your online shop. If your Instagram shop is correctly set up, it will appear in the View Shop or Shopping tab on your profile. From here, users can browse your products as if they would use a catalog. As mentioned earlier, users wishing to purchase a product are redirected to your website because buying directly on Instagram isn't available in all regions yet. To reach more people, consider promoting posts linked to products via Ads Manager. This not only boosts your brand's visibility, but also directly displays your products and their links to thousands of users, helping you reach your target audience. I hope you found this helpful. To learn how to create a product catalog on WhatsApp shopping or how to monetize and earn money on TikTok, click on the videos on the screen. You can also download our free ebook with 50 digital marketing strategies to launch your product. Thanks for watching our video. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop with digital marketing trends, and give us a like if you found this useful. See you next time.